it's a real immersion, which means that you come here in the morning and right away you dive in to all different kinds of formats with a really huge group. So it was very surprising for me how they would do that and how they would organize things, facilitate things in a way that it would be doable for everybody. And it's really interesting to see how they tackle that. And yeah, I think it's interesting. It's great that you can really practice some of these liberating structures. Whereas if you just read about them, you think, okay, that could be interesting. But the step towards really implementing them is sometimes too big because they can be rather complicated. Not the format, but more like the setting and is the context right. And here you just try them out with people who are, let's say, friendly users, and you can just join in and experiment. And it makes the step towards really putting it into practice in your work environment, makes it much smaller.
So for me, I attended it as a participant in March 2018. It was the first time it happened here in Holland, and I got inspired by it. And then my first thing I did is like, yes, we need to start doing it at our company, and this is what I started doing. But then later I got like the invite to also join the design team for this time, for December 10 and 11th of December, to facilitate also the Immersion Workshop, the second one. And it's totally amazing for me. It's personally helped me a lot, also growing, but also learn a lot of other stuff, pairing up with experienced facilitators, but also learning a lot of stuff from the participants.
I was really curious how 2 days of Liberating Structures would work with such a big group, 125 people. But I think all the structures work really well, and you can tailor them to the group that you have. I really like that we've done 17 liberating structures in one day, because I counted them yesterday, and looking forward to the second day.
People are always different in their expressing their feelings, but when it comes to engaging them together, you see immediately how awesome it is. Everyone realizes it. Like someone mentioned, for example, oh wow, it's awesome. It's 125 people. Maybe I know only 10 of them, but I was willing to share with anyone in this room, whatever I have, a story or a challenge. So it's really cool to see that.
Well, it's really practical. It's really simple. So for me, it's quite easy in a situation or in a meeting. When I see something or a problem, I just think of, hey, you can use this structure and then try it out and see how the people interact.
Yeah, for me it's the same. It enriches me as a coach or a scrum master to apply these structures and to help the team improve better or to design new workshops. So it's really has an impact on the way I'm doing my coaching job.
Yeah, I really like working with liberating structures. It's very easy to attend as an attendee, but also very easy to facilitate yourself and copy what you've seen here in your own working experience.
So I've been using liberating structures in my work for quite some time now, and also in my private life. I've been doing some stuff with it, and basically I think the most valuable thing is that it engages the whole group and not just the people who talk the loudest.
What I really found interesting from my perspective is to making a string of the liberating structures. Just one structure is the input or the output for the other structure. And it really was a very important insight for me to, like I said before, to make a workshop based on different chained liberating structures. So for that, for me, was a very, very, very nice insight to know.
So this is kind of my advice or or let's say recommendation for anyone. Don't hesitate to try it, just go for it and see how it will go. And don't overthink even about it, because it's actually simple. So think about it simple and start it, and then evaluate how it went. Always ask for feedback also from your audience, and then you can change based on the feedback.